Today we're making chicken sandwich cake. Give your sandwich a new face. Add cabbage, carrots, peas, bell pepper, salt, white pepper, black pepper, chili sauce and mayonnaise in a large mixing bowl. Mix all the ingredients well. Take another bowl and add chicken, potatoes, salt, black pepper, white pepper, mayonnaise and chili sauce. Mix all the ingredients well. In a bowl, add 4 to 6 eggs, chilies, white and black pepper and salt. Mix well. Take another bowl and add cream cheese, cream and mayonnaise. Take a bread slice and cut the edges of a bread. Take a square-shaped cake cupboard. Place 4 slices of bread and spread chicken filling on it evenly. Place 4 slices of bread on top and spread vegetable filling on top. Again, place 4 slices of bread on top and spread egg filling on top. Place it with 4 more bread slices and spread cream cheese mixture on it. Now garnish it with cucumber, salad leaves and cherry tomatoes. Scrumptious sandwich cake is ready to eat. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!